Hey, what is up, guys? Ehsan here. Welcome back to part 2. So, last episode, we learned about for loop, and we learned that a for loop is great when you know what you're looking over. For example, a list, a string, a range. But sometimes you don't know. You just need to keep going until something happens. What we use here is called a while loop. So, quick rule of thumb, use for loop when you know how many times you're going to iterate over. Use while loop when you repeat until a condition is met. Remember this, until a condition is met. And the classic case is validating user input. We keep asking until they give you something acceptable. Here it is in action. I ask for an even number in this sentence here, this statement here. Number is equals to num is equals to integer to convert the string to integer of input. And then we use this while statement. While num modulo 2 is not 0, we run these two statements. So in plain term, it reads, while the number is odd, we keep looping this. So watch me type 7. It will not, it will say, it will print out not even, try again, this, and then it will ask this again. All right. So let's say 7. Nope, that's not even, try again. Not even, try again. But let's say if we put in an even number, 8, the loop will end because num modulo 2, when num is 8, will return you a 0 as a remainder. So this while loop condition is not met anymore. So that's the rhythm of a while loop. You check the condition, run the body, and then check again. And the moment the condition is false, you exit. Now the danger, and every beginner hits this once. A while loop only stops when its condition becomes false, remember? So if nothing inside the loop ever changes if nothing inside the loop ever changes what the condition checks, it'll run forever, infinitely. I've left this cell commented on purpose so we don't hang the notebook. But look, num is 3. The loop says while num is odd, while nothing inside ever changes num. So it'll print stuck forever until you force quit. That's the internet loop. Let me see if I can show you guys here. Yeah, commented. If I play it, see, it's stuck forever. So I'll just press this to stop. Yep. So when you interrupt, it will give you this keyboard interrupt. All right. So what is the fix? So the fix is always the same idea. You have to make sure that something inside the loop moves you toward the condition of becoming false. In the even number example, that something was asking for fresh input each time. Right here. Sorry, right here. So eventually, the user types an even number and will escape. If your while loop hangs forever, this is the first thing that you have to check. Am I actually changing the thing I'm testing? And am I changing it properly? All right, one forward look. When a while condition gets complicated, you often pull it out into a little helper function, something called is valid. Here. So the loop line will kind of read it cleanly. We can't do that yet because functions are the very next chapter, but keep it in mind, and then we'll come back exactly to this. All right, a quick recap of the whole chapter. For loops repeat over a range, a list, or a string, or whatever data type that you know has a finite number. So while loop, it repeats until the condition is false. And you must remember to change something in the body of the while loop, or else you'll get an infinite loop. All right. Now to the bottom for the 3 in class exercises. As per usual, I would like you guys to give it a go. And if you have any queries or any doubts, do let me know and we can work on it. Alright, next chapter is a big one. We will learn functions, where you finally learn how to package your code up and reuse it. As per usual, see you there.